Ever wondered how to make delicious and healthy chia puddings at home? Well, you're in the right place. Chia puddings are a delightful blend of nutrition and taste, a perfect marriage of health and indulgence. Originating from the tiny yet powerful chia seeds, these puddings are packed with antioxidants, fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. But the magic of chia pudding extends beyond its health benefits. Its versatility is truly astonishing. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of imagination, you can whip up a variety of flavors to satisfy your palate. From the classic vanilla to the decadent chocolate, the tangy berries to the exotic tropical fruits, there's a chia pudding for every mood and every craving. Today we're going to explore 5 different chia pudding recipes, each with its own unique flavor profile, all easily prepared in the comfort of your own kitchen. So stay tuned to discover 5 tantalizing chia pudding recipes that can be easily prepared at home. To kick things off, we'll start with the basic chia pudding recipe. This is the foundation upon which all other variations are built, so pay close attention. In your shopping cart, you'll need chia seeds, of course, but also some milk. You can use any type you prefer, be it dairy or a plant-based alternative like almond, coconut, or oat. You'll also need a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. First, grab a bowl or a mason jar, anything that can be covered and placed in the fridge. Pour in a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, depending on how sweet you like your pudding. Stir everything together until well combined. Now here's the secret to achieving the perfect pudding-like texture. Time. Chia seeds need to be soaked to soften them and to allow them to expand, creating a gel-like consistency that's similar to tapioca. So once you've mixed all your ingredients, cover your bowl or jar and pop it into the fridge. Let it sit overnight, or at least for 6 hours if you're in a bit of a hurry. During this time, the chia seeds will absorb the milk and expand, thickening the mixture into a pudding. In the morning or after your 6-hour wait, take your pudding out of the fridge. You'll notice that it's thickened considerably. Give it a good stir to break up any clumps and to evenly distribute the seeds throughout the pudding. Finally, it's time to dig in. You can enjoy your basic chia pudding as is, or top it with fruits, nuts, or granola for added flavor and texture. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. It can be a blank canvas for any of your favorite add-ins. And voila, there you have it, your basic chia pudding. But wait, we're just getting started. Next up, we're going to add a fruity twist with our Berry Blast chia pudding. Let's dive right into this vibrant bowl of health and flavor. The ingredients you'll need are a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of honey, and a cup of mixed berries. For the berries, feel free to use any combination of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. Fresh or frozen, both work perfectly fine. Start by soaking the chia seeds in almond milk. Mix them well and let them sit for about 20 minutes until they swell up. This is your basic chia pudding base. Now, while the chia seeds are soaking, let's chat about the powerhouse that berries are. Berries are a treasure trove of antioxidants. They are rich in anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and are known for their anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Berries also contain other powerful antioxidants that help to boost your immune system, improve skin health, and even enhance brain function. Now, when you pair these with chia seeds, you've got a pudding that's as nutritious as it is tasty. Once your chia seeds have absorbed the almond milk and formed a pudding-like consistency, it's time to sweeten things up. Stir in a tablespoon of honey. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking, but remember, the berries will also add a natural sweetness to the pudding. Finally, it's time to add the star of the show, the berries. You can either mix them directly into the pudding or layer them on top. Either way, they'll infuse the pudding with their fruity flavor and vibrant color, creating a feast for both your taste buds and your eyes. And there you have it. A Berry Blast chia pudding that's as simple to make as it is delicious. This pudding is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert, and it's a great way to incorporate more berries into your diet. Now you have a Berry Blast chia pudding that's not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. Let's go on a culinary vacation with our tropical paradise chia pudding. This recipe will transport your taste buds to a sunny beachside, where the cool breeze whispers tales of relaxation and the ocean waves serenade you with their gentle rhythm. To make this tropical delight, you'll need chia seeds, coconut milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and a swirl of honey for sweetness. Now, let's invite some exotic guests to our tropical party. We're talking about ripe mangoes, juicy pineapples, and tangy kiwis. These fruits not only add a vibrant burst of color, but also pack a powerful nutritional punch. Mangoes, the king of fruits, are a rich source of vitamins A and C, and they provide a good dose of dietary fiber. They lend a luscious texture and a naturally sweet flavor to our pudding. Next, we have pineapples, a tropical fruit that's high in vitamin C and manganese, essential for bone health. Pineapples give our pudding a zesty tang and a refreshing taste that's reminiscent of a tropical island getaway. Let's not forget about kiwis. These small fruits are mighty in nutrition, loaded with vitamins C, E, and K, and fiber. Kiwis add a unique tartness that perfectly balances the sweetness of the other fruits. To assemble our pudding, first, mix the chia seeds with coconut milk, vanilla extract, and honey, and let it sit overnight. The next day, top it with a generous serving of diced mangoes, pineapples, and kiwis. And voila, your tropical paradise in a bowl is ready. This tropical paradise chia pudding is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats from the chia seeds, and loaded with vitamins from the tropical fruits. Plus, the natural sweetness of the fruits means we can keep added sugars to a minimum. Your tropical paradise chia pudding is ready, a perfect summer treat. For all the chocolate lovers out there, this one's for you. Our chocolate indulgence chia pudding. Now let's dive into the world of healthy indulgence. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup according to your preference. Don't forget a pinch of sea salt and a topping of your choice. Fresh berries or crushed almonds work great. Start by whisking together the cocoa powder, chia seeds, and sea salt in a bowl. Pour in the almond milk, stir it well, and add your sweetener. Once combined, cover the bowl and let it rest in your fridge overnight. The pudding will thicken as the chia seeds absorb the liquid and expand. Now let's talk about the star ingredient, dark chocolate. Besides adding a rich and deep flavor to our chia pudding, it's also packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage by free radicals, molecules that can cause aging and diseases. Dark chocolate is also known to improve heart health thanks to its high content of flavonols, which help to lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. But remember, moderation is key. While dark chocolate has numerous health benefits, it's still high in calories and should be consumed in moderation. That's why we're using unsweetened cocoa powder in this recipe. It gives us that chocolatey taste without the extra calories and sugar. In the morning, give your pudding a good stir to break up any clumps and add a splash more almond milk if it's too thick for your liking. Top it off with your favorite toppings, and there you have it, your very own chocolate indulgence chia pudding. This pudding is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a healthful indulgence. The chia seeds provide fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, while the dark chocolate adds antioxidants. It's a dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth and your body's needs. Enjoy your chocolate indulgence chia pudding, healthy and satisfying. We've explored a variety of flavors with our chia puddings today. We began with the basic chia pudding, a simple yet delightful treat that serves as the foundation for all other variations. Then we ventured into the berry blast, a refreshing blend of mixed berries that's a sure delight for any fruit lover. The tropical paradise chia pudding took us on a trip to the islands with its luscious mix of tropical fruits. And finally, we indulged in the rich and decadent chocolate indulgence chia pudding, a treat that surely satisfies any sweet tooth without the guilt. Remember, chia seeds not only add a unique texture to your puddings, but they're also a powerhouse of nutrients. They're rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making these puddings a healthy choice for any meal or snack. We encourage you to try these recipes at home and experience the versatility of chia seeds. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Remember, healthy can be delicious too. Until next time, happy cooking!